Hi friends, I hope you guys are fine. So I welcome you all on the online shopping world of DocuFins. Guys, I wanted to tell you something that this is not my website. I am here to just analyze the website and give you all an authentic review about the site. So guys, let's start with the analyzing procedure. Firstly guys, look at the home page of the website. As you can see, this is fully embedded with the trending bikini collection. They sell the summer wearables like bikinis, tops, dresses, and much more. As you can see, more style for you, the moisture wicking fabric transfers heat and humidity. It's a perfect accessories for summer. Guys, you can see the DocuFence sale is trending nowadays. The trending fashion is on. The 6 color set bikini set is available on the website. The patchwork floral print blue is there. Animal print bikini is there. And so much you can explore from the website. You can find your perfect fit. DocuFence style is there. You can see the collection is quite pretty. Now guys, we'll move to the sections which is important for our review. First is about a section. Guys, in about us section, you're going to know everything about the DocuFin.com. This is a leading international online fashion clothing store which is focusing on bikinis for chicks. The product is quite beautiful and it is available all over the world. Their story is there. The top reason why should you shop from the website is there. The mission, the support email system is there. Email is there. Second, we're going to move on the contact us section. The section will avail you all the ways by which you can contact the website. You can email them on support@docufins.zendesk.com. Even you can reach the website on Facebook or Instagram. The next is shipping section. The shipping details are mentioned on the website. As you can see, how long for shipment, 1 to 7 business days which will it take to reach. Then shipping time, shipping methods is available. Tips for shipping is there. Customs and import tax is there. Next we'll move to about return section. How can you return your product if you didn't like it? In 15 days, calendar days, you can return the product if you didn't like the product, or you can exchange it with another product. 24 to 48 hours it will take to revert you back with the email. The policy is available. You can read out the policy before buying the product. The next is FAQ section. Guys, in FAQ section, all the frequently asked questions by the customers about the website is given so that you can easily get to know the answers before taking any product from the website. So that first one is, how do I use a coupon code? As you know, the coupon code is given on the website so that you can get the coupon and you can have discounts and promotions. What should I do if I forgot to use my coupon code? Do I have to order? How can I pay for my order? Is it safe to order online? How do I know if my order was received? There are so many questions available for your assistance. Please go through them one by one. Guys, there are privacy policies also there. In privacy policy, you will going to get all the details about your personal data, use of personal data, cookies, and so much is there. Just have a look. Payment option is available, marketing is available. Then guys, there is privacy policy, there is size guide and terms and condition available. Please visit and have a look. Even you can see the followers option is there. You can follow the website on Facebook and on Instagram. Guys, as per my research, the site has more than 5 lakh followers on Instagram and on Facebook. And the customer reviews are quite good about the product. Even the customers are satisfied and happy with the collection. Even the site is protected by SSL. So guys, in my opinion, there are all the relevant details mentioned on the site about the privacy, about customer care, about the contact us section, and about every detail which will help you out in your shopping experience. So guys, in my opinion, the site is legit. But guys, still the legitimacy of the site is dependent upon your reviews. Your reviews are very important. So guys, do comment, share your reviews, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you for listening. Have a great day ahead. And before signing off, I would like to tell you that a flash sale is down on the website. So guys, hurry up, and if you want to buy something related to summer designs and collection for bikinis, you can have a look, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with another review.